Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to block adult or inappropriate content on YouTube using YouTube's restricted mode. This is a helpful feature if you want a safer viewing experience, especially for kids or younger viewers, and it's pretty easy to set up. Start by opening YouTube on your desktop or mobile device and make sure you're logged into your account. Click on your profile icon in the top right corner of the screen, then scroll down and select Restricted Mode. You'll see a toggle switch labeled Activate Restricted Mode. Turn it on to filter out videos that may contain mature or explicit content. Keep in mind that restricted mode isn't perfect. It relies on user flags and YouTube's system to filter content, so some inappropriate videos might still appear. Also, this setting only applies to the device and browser where it's enabled, so you'll need to activate it on each device you use. Once restricted mode is turned on, YouTube will try to block videos flagged as inappropriate, giving you a safer and more controlled viewing environment. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more tips, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss any future tutorials.